Thinking about buying a new iPad? Stop for a second, because Apple might be hiding something big. Right now the tech world has gone strangely quiet. No big Apple events, no major tablet announcements, and everyone is asking the same question: where is the next iPad, 12th generation? Apple's most affordable tablet hasn't been refreshed yet, and that delay may actually be completely intentional. According to leaks and supply chain reports, Apple is preparing a major reset of its entire iPad lineup for 2026. And the biggest surprise starts with the base model. The current iPad, 11th generation, sells for around $349 and runs on the Apple A16 chip. It's perfectly fine for basic tasks like streaming videos or browsing the web. But the upcoming 12th generation iPad is expected to make a huge jump forward. Instead of a small upgrade, leaks suggest it will move directly to the Apple A18 chip. That's a massive performance leap. Why does that matter? Because the A18 is powerful enough to support Apple Intelligence, Apple's new artificial intelligence platform. In other words, Apple doesn't want a single device in its lineup falling behind in the AI era. Reports also suggest the base iPad will finally jump to 8 GB of RAM, doubling the memory of previous entry-level models. That upgrade alone would make the tablet much better for multitasking and future software updates. But don't expect a big redesign. Apple is focusing entirely on performance improvements, not appearance. The tablet will likely keep the same body design, the same basic USB-C port, and support for the standard Apple Pencil, USB-C, rather than the premium Apple Pencil Pro. The display also isn't expected to change. No OLED panel. No 120Hz promotion. Just the familiar 60Hz LCD screen. But the base iPad isn't the only update coming. Apple is also preparing a refreshed iPad Air, likely powered by the Apple M4 chip. That means laptop-level performance in an 11-inch or 13-inch tablet, making it a powerful middle option between the entry model and the high-end Pro devices. Then later in 2026, Apple may release the biggest upgrade of all, the next iPad mini. Rumors suggest it could feature the Apple A20 Pro chip, along with something fans have wanted for years, an OLED display with 120Hz promotion. If that happens, the iPad mini could transform from a simple small tablet into a serious powerhouse for gaming, media, and creative work. Of course, those upgrades might also push the price closer to $599. So if you're planning to buy an iPad right now, it might be worth waiting. Because Apple's 2026 tablet lineup could bring faster chips, more memory, and powerful AI features across the entire range. And once these devices launch, today's iPads might suddenly feel very outdated.